Welcome back. I am Nitu and this is my third video for my series Basic Drawing Techniques for Beginners. Today we are learning about eye level. Eye level is really simple to understand. It is distance from the ground plane to your eyes. Eye level is always horizontal as you see in these pictures. It never be vertical. In this exercise today, I will make 3 simple drawings working from 3 different eye level. When you look at a still life object at your eye level, it will look totally flat. This is the example. Now we will draw eye level. This is what we see here. It could be totally flat when still life object is at your eye level. Look down. This is our second position. When we look down, you can see this book top area and even you can see this glass top area. When we draw this position, it's like look down. This is our book edge and this is the book top area, and we see the glass. Now, this is our second position, look down. And when we look down, still life object, we can see the top part of the glass, the top part of the book, and even the edge. This is third position, look up. When we look up at the still life object, my eye level is down here. I see underneath. All line above your eye level will go down to your horizon vanishing point. And when we look up, we just saw the glass, this much part. We don't see this area. We just see this area, and that's only in the curve like this. You see in this, we just see underneath the edge of the book and the top part of the glass. This is our third position, look up. In today's class, we learn about 3 different kind of eye level. Eye level, when the object is at your eye level, it looks totally flat. Look down. In this position, you can see the top part of the still life object. Look up. In this position, you can see the underneath of the still life object. Thank you so much for watching my video. For more video, please subscribe.